Good morning everyone. In today's video, I will discuss the very important topic in business studies. The name of this topic is Dimensions of Business Environment. It is most important topic of this chapter 3, Dimensions of Business Environment. Dimensions of business environment means all the factor, forces and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over business transactions. Dimension means the factors or forces which affect business environment. So for learning that, just learn a term PEST, PEST and L. PESTL. PESTL, the full form is political environment, economical environment, social environment, technological environment, legal environment. PEST and L. For this, learn PEST and L. P stands for political environment, E stands for economical environment, S stands for social environment, T stands for technological environment, and last L stands for legal environment. So here we can say we are having 5 dimensions of business environment, and it is also general environment. General environment is most important dimension of business environment, as businessman can't influence or change components of general environment, rather he or we can say she has changed his plan and policy according to changes taking place in general environment. So dimensions are 5: political, economical, social, technological and legal. So let's discuss one by one. So learn the term PESTL: political, economical, social, technological, legal. So first we will study political environment. Political is written here. Political environment constitute all the factors related to government affairs, such as type of government in past, attitude of government towards different groups of society, policy changes implemented by different government, etc. The political environment has immediate and great impact on business transactions. So businessman must scan environment very carefully. The businessman has to make changes in his or her organization according to changing फैक्टर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एनवायरमेंट. पॉलिटिकल फैक्टर्स मीन्स हमारी कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है इन करेंट टाइम, दे आर विच काइंड ऑफ कैंपेन एंड पॉलिसी दे आर मेकिंग फॉर अस, that matters in political environment. So the common factors and forces which have influenced Indian political environment are Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, started by BJP, भारतीय जनता पार्टी. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Modi ji has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. In the diagram also we can see Lotus, BJP hand for Congress, and Aam Aadmi Party. Skill India movement started by BJP. Political stability encourage business enterprise to invest in long-term project. Present political system and profile of political leaders, constitutions of country. Government intervention in business, foreign policy of government, values and ideology of political parties. So simply we must have to consider which government is there, which policy and campaigns they are making for us. So that's political environment. It will affect or impact business environment. Next is economical. Always economic means money से related क्या rules हैं, कैसा environment है in our country. What is the money value of our country? That's economical environment. Economical environment refers to all factors and forces which directly influence the economy of our country. Economy means अर्थव्यवस्था और money value of our country. Economic environment consists of GDP, gross domestic product, means national income in our country, हमारी country की, not foreign income. The members who are working in our country and the income they are generating is called GDP. So GDP, income level at national level, per capita level means single one person की income क्या है, that's per capita income. So these are the factors in economic environment. Some aspects of economic environment are increase in GDP, inflation rate, interest rate, decrease in interest rate. Passing of GST bill, yes, that's important. It's a very new thing. GST stands for GST stands for गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स. कि इस ये GST आने से क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा, Before that, many taxes were there, but now only GST follows in our business environment. Demonetization of rupees 500 and 1000 notes recently hit the Indian economic environment. Demonetization means notebandi ho gayi rupees 500 and 1000. That's related with money. Banking sector rules, reset changes in economic and fiscal policy of country. Role of private and public sector, rate of saving and investment, BOT, BOP, balance of trade, balance of payment. It is in international business. Money supply in economy and international debt. International business में what are the currency exchanges? So the things related with money are the factors in economic environment. Just learn some factors which you can easily remind. Okay, not necessary to learn everything. Just learn simply about money. Money related factors are economic environment. Next I will discuss third environment, social environment. Social, as its name says, related with society. So social environment consists of customs and tradition of society in which businesses existing. It includes standard of living, taste preferences, education level of people living in society where business exists. The businessman cannot overlook the components of social environment. Okay, so example of social environment, the celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, etc. increase the sale of sweets, greeting cards, etc. Yes, in social occasions, social festivals, how they affect business, that's called social environment. So Diwali पे sale increase हो जाती है, crackers, sweets. Similarly Eid, correct the spelling, EID, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, they increase the sale of sweets, greeting cards, etc. Some common points or some factors in social environment are demand of reservation in job for minority and women, quota, demand for equal status of women, demand for automatic machines and luxury items in middle class family, the social movements to improve education level of girl child like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, health and fitness trend has become more popular, change in quality of life, importance of place of women in workplace, birth and death rate in population, attitude of customer towards innovation, lifestyle, etc. Education and literacy rate, tradition, custom and habits of people. Means society से related things which affect business environment, it's called social environment. So next we will discuss technological environment. As its name says, technology means modern technology. If modern technology is coming in our environment, then how it will affect business. So technological environment includes forces related to scientific improvement and innovation. Innovation means something new which provides new way of producing goods and services and new way of operating business. For example, few examples of recent technological changes. Companies have started using new way of advertising such as CD-ROM, computerized information kiosk. Kiosk means presentation, PPT, internet, online sale, online we are doing things. Technology means technological things if we are using and how it affects business. That's technological. Online booking of tickets, air ticket, movie ticket. Not only booking, you can see your seat number. Due to technological advancement, customer can compare prices of various airline, hotel, etc. and select the most economical. Economical means in budget. Innovations in many areas, robotics has come, biotechnology, and many food preservatives, medicines have come. Shift from vacuum tube to transistor, it is a generation gap. Shift from typewriter to word processor, yes, in initial time we used typewriter, now we use word processor. Shift from carbon paper to photocopy machine or photocopier. Various innovations, inventions. Invention means something, invention means discovery and innovation means to modify old idea into new idea. Innovation means पुराने को नया करना. Invention means to discover new. Scientific improvement also. Development in IT sector. IT stands for information technology. Technological advantage in computer. Import export technology. Online booking also. So it is technological environment. Means how technology affects business environment. It's called technological environment. So we have discussed 4 last. PEST, and last L, legal environment. Legal means, as its name suggests, the laws, rules which our government has tell the businessman to follow. The management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Means उनको अपने एरिया का law follow करना है. Therefore, it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by governments. Legal environment includes various laws and legislative acts, administrative order issued by government authorities, court judgments, the decision of by central government, state government, local means district government. Okay, to work successfully in India, some acts are also there, like Companies Act 1956, Industrial Act 1951, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, Trade Union Act 1926, Factories Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Consumer Protection Act 1986, Competition Act 2002, etc. Means every businessman has to follow these acts for doing activities. Some aspects of legal environment or some forces, some factors are legal policy related to licensing and foreign trade. Yes, foreign trade में जाने के लिए in international business, foreign trade means international business, there is a need of licensing. How will you go in other country? Statutory bonding means legal bonding, printed on every level. Level means name of any product. For example, packet of cigarettes must have statutory bonding, like smoking is injurious to health. Foreign Exchange Regulation and Management Act, that's FEMA. Okay, there was a term FEMA in the paragraph, it is the full form FEMA. Law to keep a check on advertisements. Advertisement में भी law आते हैं. The advertisement of alcohol products is prohibited. Alcohol product की advertisement prohibited means stop है, नहीं है. So these are dimensions of business environment, test and L. Total 5 dimensions are there. So just learn this topic. It's very important. It's lengthy, but it is not necessary to learn each and every point. Just learn the concept and those much points which you can easily remember. But don't skip this topic. It's very important. Okay. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.